Special purpose makes the world more efficient. Professional makes products more excellent. Concentration makes the quality more outstanding. Focus makes service more warm. China's all-field special vehicles manufacturing experts. CNHTC Jinan Special Vehicles Company Limited. CNHTC Jinan Special Vehicles Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Sinotruk Group, is a large refitted vehicles production base, gathered all fields vehicles research and development, manufacturing and sales in one. The company's predecessor, Jinan Garden Machinery Factory, was a sprinkler production enterprise that had the earliest history and largest scale in China. It was incorporated into Sinotruk Group in 2005 and changed its name to Sinotruk Group Jinan Special Vehicles Company Limited in 2007. The company covers an area of 370 mu. The registered capital is 100 million yuan, and the annual output of various types of special vehicles is 15,000. Special purpose makes the world more efficient. Function-personalized special vehicles make the multi-field production, transportation, and service platforms become more efficient. Greenery brand sprinkler, tree sprinkling tankers, refuelers, chemical liquid tank trucks, low-temperature liquid tankers, LPG transporters, carriage detachable type compression garbage trucks, EAT hutch garbage collection vehicles, suction sewage trucks, fecal suction trucks, high-pressure sewer flushing vehicles, transit mixer trucks, powder material trucks, dust prevention haze suppression trucks, dump trucks, refrigerator insulated trucks, over 10 series, more than 200 kinds of special vehicles, products researched and developed by Sinotruk Group, Jinan Special Vehicles Company Limited. They can meet the professional application requirements of different types of customers, make standardizing design management and implementing special vehicles products standardized operation. At the same time, the company respectively makes different regional standards of similar products to meet the personalized needs of the market in maximum according to the differences of different regional product demands. Professional makes the products more excellent. From research and development, design to production, Sinotruk Jinan Special Vehicles Company Limited has built up leading, high-efficient, and precise manufacturing system with technical management as the core and product performance as orientation. The company always attaches importance to technical management work. It has more than 60 middle or senior professionals, which are more than 10% of the total number of employees, and has introduced the world's leading product design system and PDM system. The company has the international frontline special vehicles production equipment and has independently designed advanced special vehicles production assembly line, takes the lead in introducing modern flow operation mode into special vehicles industry, completely subverts the traditional special vehicles industry's dirty, disorder, and poor street type of assembling operation mode. Especially tank car finally assembly line creates the precedent of multi-types mixed loading, final assembly line production of tank cars in intra-industry. Production line's process layout is scientific, advanced, and fluent. Assembly work has reached the domestic leading level, which ensures the product consistency at the greatest degree, and implements the assembly modernization and high efficiency, high quality level. At the same time, the company practices lean production mode, implements the 3+3 production plan management, has established many varieties small batch production organization pattern, which can achieve order to delivery within 7 days. Concentration makes the quality more outstanding. Jinan Special Vehicle Company always puts product quality as the priority. always practices manufacture automobile products that meet customers' needs and meet legal requirements. Provide close-to-people brand service, create high-quality goods with moral quality, contribute to society with high-quality goods as the quality policy. The company constantly improves the quality management system, strengthens the process control of quality control points, sets up quality gate, implements full inspection control management, strictly controls process, puts the responsibility into practice, continuously improves, and constantly improves product quality. The company has passed the ISO 9001-2008 Quality System Certification and the National Mandatory Product Certification (CCC) certification. Obtains the Dangerous Chemicals Packaging Container Production License and the C2 Level Mobile Pressure Vessel Manufacturing License issued by the State Administration for Quality Supervision, Inspection, and Quarantine. It is the first unit to obtain the manufacture license of this level in Shandong Province. At the same time, the company strictly guards the parts quality pass. Its main outsourcing parts are from large high-quality enterprises who have reputation guarantee. Over the years, the company's product quality has continued to be improved and has won many customers' dependents of various fields. Focus makes the service warmer. Customer first, quality first, credit first are the service tenets of Sinotruk Jinan Special Vehicles Company Limited. The company's products are spread all over the country and exported to Russia, Mongolia, the Middle East region, Southeast Asia region, South America, Africa, and other countries and regions. The company relies on professional service team and marketing service network all over the country. Establishes a 24-hour response customer service system to focus on the close-to-people service of solving problems in the product application field for customers and has been commonly agreed by domestic and foreign customers. Sinotruk Group Jinan Special Vehicles Company Limited relies on the group advantages, adheres to use science and technology as the guide, survive on quality, use reputation for market, strive for development on the basis of efficiency by means of excellent products and good business reputation, has established stable strategic cooperative relationship with customers at home and abroad, and has set up a good corporate image. Greenery brand trademark has been successively identified as Jinan City famous trademark and Shandong Province famous trademark. The company is successively rated as the enterprise that observes the contract and attaches importance to credit in Jiangqiu City and Jinan City. The company's chairman, Mr. Tommy Chen, also successively won the title of Jinan Outstanding Entrepreneur and Jinan May 1st Labor Medal. Adhering to the Sinotruk scientific development, rational management, careful operation, and optimum benefit enterprise core concept, and the enterprise philosophy of one step, every step in place. Sinotruk Group Jinan Special Vehicles Company Limited is committed to build a leading brand of all field special vehicles in China and constantly strides forward toward a more brilliant future.